At this year, we have handed over 2 FOBs, including warship, to the Somali security forces.
عاد qorshaha kala guurka inuu si fiican u socdo oo aan maanta marqaati u nahay ciidankeena Soomaaliyeed inay la wareegayaan degmada Warshiq amnigeeda iyo kala wareegaya ciidamada AMISOM ee walaalaha nahay oo aan ognahay waqtigii muddada dheereed ay ku hayeen in warbixinta aan dhageystay si fiican inay amnigana u sugeen dadkana ula macaamileen.
Je voudrais féliciter les autorités somaliennes pour les efforts qu'elles ne cessent de manifester dans la mise en œuvre de ce processus de transfert et de la mise en œuvre du CONOPS.
Going into 2020, the men and women of AMISOM forces are in high spirit and are greated to deliver on the mandate of the AMISOM. We assure the Somali people that we are committed to continue closely working with the security force to secure and stabilize Somalia. We have already achieved a lot, and the remaining few challenges we shall overcome together. Inshallah. Thank you.